Go to a Minecraft map website like minecraft6.com or minecraftmaps.com on a computer. Click the name of a map to learn more about it. When you find a map you want, click the download link. Unzip the downloaded file. Right-click the map folder and select Copy. Open the Minecraft folder. If you're using PC, open the Windows search bar. %appdata %/.minecraft and press Enter. If you're on a Mac, open Finder and navigate to /library/application support /Minecraft. Double-click the Saves folder. Paste the map folder you copied earlier into the Saves folder by pressing Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. Launch Minecraft to find the game in your world's list.